what up, y'all? I'm about to hit this little car meet with my boy Aus that has the RT, and my boy Caleb that's got the Scat Pack, of course. It should be a good time. We should be meeting up together and then riding together. So I'm gonna get some footage from that, and then I'm also gonna get some footage of our cars, hopefully, when we're driving out. So yeah, we'll see what's up. I got a little 45-minute drive. I'm gonna flash to that right now. See what this big boy's got to say. Say something, Jake. He ain't saying shit. Yeah, it's a nice little day to ride out for sure. All blue skies here in Ohio. Alright, I'm trying to think which way I need to go. Heading towards Franklin right now. I'm on Burrow, I think. Yeah, I went the right way. Gotta be careful in Burrow. They'll get you. Damn. Cruising. He's got this bitch dirty, but this shit still looks clean. Hey, look at that bitch. Scat Pack. Yeah.
Back to back. Dumbass. That's a cat. It's on street tags. There's battery cars. Oh, battery cars. We got beat.
Russell got beat, bro.
No, we didn't.
Yes, sir.
They're over there, bro. Who is eating? You get that dirty shit.
That's Scat.
I don't like you.
off with the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed because we got a lot of content in. I was out personally until like 4 a.m. last night, just recording and stuff, and driving back home. So yeah, like it if you can, and give me a follow on social media because I plan on doing a lot more of these videos in the future. And yeah, me and my boys definitely have fun with it. So I'm looking forward to it, and looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Shout out to my boy Caleb for tearing that shit up at the end. See y'all.